Okay, now we're going to look at a quick and easy way to do bacon. Everyone thinks, oh, I know how to do bacon. But if you're not careful, you can very easily burn bacon. So I'm going to show you a quick way to get good, consistent bacon. The cooking time on bacon is going to vary quite a bit just because of the thickness of bacon. So go ahead and get a cookie sheet out. Lay your bacon down. If you have a smaller cookie sheet, just bunch it closer together. The bacon's going to shrink as it cooks. Let me wash my hands. You can do it in a frying pan, but you'll find that this way is much easier.
I never even thought about doing it this way.
Okay. Now, to save time and energy, I'm going to throw it in the oven. My oven turns on pretty quickly. I'm going to set it on 350 degrees, start. I'm going to set the timer, 12 minutes. Okay, there we go. And in 12 minutes we'll check it and see how it's doing. Now you can go about making your breakfast while the bacon cooks away. We'll take a look at it once it comes out. Okay, so I've let that go for, actually I let it go for 15 minutes because it wasn't quite done enough. I'm going to set it here. I'm going to tilt the pan a little bit so the fat rolls off, the grease. I'm going to get a paper towel, a fork. If you have parchment paper, not wax paper, but parchment paper, you can line the pan with that and it makes it easier to clean up. The bacon is going to keep cooking a little bit after you take it out. My oven actually heats up pretty quickly, so at home you may want to go 20 minutes. And if you like crispier bacon, you have to adjust your time. Every oven is different. So here we have some nice ready to eat bacon. It's nice and flat. There's no burnt spots. Very appetizing.